Mansfield Motor Group. It's got done Dyno, gear descriptions, combinations, got the FR heads on it. It has got a custom ground hydraulic roller. It has got the Edelbrock 2181 on it. They needed some hood height. Quick fuel SS 750 MSD Pro Billet. Got the front end on, make sure it charges. Show you how it ran. Already 3400, it's 507 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like it peaks torque 524, peaks horsepower 522. So really this is a 575 combination. That's how bad the manifold hurt it. They were kind of targeting 530. Front end's about 15, so everything will be good. We'll get her off there, put in a crate. Come your way. Have a great day.